What if the job you wake up for every morning is actually the thing keeping you broke? Think about it. Most people trade 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, for 40 years just to survive. And the craziest part? Many people earning $5,000 a month online started as complete beginners, working the same 9-5. Not lottery winners, not geniuses, just regular people who discovered something most workers never realize. Your salary is limited, but side hustles aren't. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful side hustles that people are using right now to generate $5,000 a month or more, and in many cases, completely quit their jobs. But here's the catch. The last side hustle might be the most powerful one of them all. So let's start with the first one. Side hustle number 1, freelance digital services. Right now, millions of businesses are desperate for one thing: digital help. They need someone to write ads, edit videos, design graphics, manage social media. And here's the crazy part. Most of these businesses don't hire full-time employees anymore. They hire freelancers. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer have created a massive marketplace where anyone with a digital skill can get paid. A beginner copywriter might charge $50 to write an ad. A video editor might charge $150 per video. A social media manager could charge $500 to $1,500 per month per client. Now imagine having just 4 clients paying $1,250 each. That's $5,000 per month. And many freelancers reach that level within a year. But there's one problem. Freelancing still trades time for money, which brings us to the next hustle, and this one runs even while you sleep. Side hustle number 2, print-on-demand e-commerce. Imagine selling a product online without buying inventory, without shipping anything, and without even touching the product. That's exactly how print-on-demand e-commerce works. Here's how it works. You create a design for a t-shirt, hoodie, or mug. You upload it to platforms like Etsy or Shopify. When someone buys the product, a company like Printful automatically prints it and ships it to the customer. You keep the profit. Some sellers make $5 per sale. Others make $15 or more. Now imagine selling just 15 products per day with a $10 profit. That's $4,500 a month. And some niche stores sell hundreds of items daily. But physical products aren't the only thing exploding online. There's another side hustle creating full-time incomes without selling anything physical at all. Side hustle number 3, faceless YouTube channels. Some of the fastest growing YouTube channels today don't show anyone's face. No cameras, no studios, just scripts, voiceovers, and video clips. Channels about finance, history, motivation, and technology are getting millions of views. And every view generates ad revenue. A channel getting 1 million views per month can earn anywhere between $2,000 to $6,000 depending on the niche. But here's where it gets interesting. Many creators don't even run the channels themselves. They hire script writers, voice actors, editors, and turn the channel into a small media business. But YouTube is only one piece of the online income puzzle, because the next side hustle can make money, even if you don't create a product at all. Side hustle number 4, affiliate marketing. Imagine recommending a product and getting paid every time someone buys it. That's affiliate marketing. Companies like Amazon, software brands, and online platforms pay commissions to people who promote their products. You share a link. Someone clicks it. They buy the product. You earn a percentage. Some commissions are small. Others are massive. Certain software companies pay $100 to $500 per sale. Now imagine making 20 sales a month at $250 each. That's $5,000 monthly. And many affiliates promote products through YouTube videos, TikTok clips, blogs, and email lists. But even affiliate marketing has one weakness. You're still promoting someone else's product, which leads to the final side hustle to fans, and it might be the most powerful income model online. Side hustle number 5, selling digital products. Digital products have one advantage that physical businesses can't compete with. They scale infinitely. Create it once, sell it forever. No inventory, no shipping, no restocking. Digital creators sell things like online courses, ebooks, Notion templates, digital planners, design templates. Some products sell for $10, others sell for $500 or more. Now imagine selling a $50 digital product. Just 100 sales per month equals $5,000, and many creators sell thousands. That's why digital products have created million-dollar creators all over the internet. But here's the truth most people don't want to hear. None of these side hustles work overnight. They require learning, patience, and consistency. But the people who stick with them often discover something powerful. The biggest difference between people stuck in a 9-5 and people earning money online isn't intelligence, it's action. Most people watch videos like this, feel motivated for 5 minutes, and then go back to the same routine. But the people who succeed pick one side hustle, focus on it for a year, and let time compound their effort. Because quitting your 9-5 doesn't happen in one day. It happens after hundreds of small steps. And the truth is, the best time to start a side hustle was 5 years ago. But the second best time is today.